Hello, everyone. Welcome to EMILY.RPA Academy, the easiest general-purpose RPA tutorial channel to get started. This course introduces the copy region, clickLeft and clickRight in the desktop automation module. The copy region function finds the coordinates of the region that is selected in the no-code editor. ClickLeft and clickRight are clicking with the left and right mouse buttons respectively. Let's see how to use the copy region function. First, open EMILY.RPA. Enter the training mode. Enter the desktop automation module. Click Open Trainer UI. Then you will see the Trainer UI on the top right of the screen. You won't be using the EMILY.RPA software for a while, so you can minimize EMILY.RPA. Next, we can open some applications as we like, for example, text editor. After opening it, use the shutter button to take a screenshot of the current screen into the no-code editor. When you are done, switch to the no-code editor interface. First, we select the text editor window in the screen. Then select Copy XY with H. This function will copy the currently selected range coordinates to the clipboard. We can then use the copied coordinates to perform subsequent operations. These coordinates can be used as parameters for screenshots. They can also be used as parameters for moving the mouse. For example, if we use await API screen capture to capture a specific range of images on the screen, the four parameters we copy are relative to the XYWH parameters. Then we can switch to the low-code editor to write the code for the screenshot. Await API screen capture. The first parameter is the name of the file. The next four parameters are the four numbers we copied using copy region. Then we press the Run button to test it. EMILY will automatically capture the screen within this range, name the image, and save it in the workspace. Next, we will introduce two mouse-related functions. They are clickLeft and clickRight. These two functions are very simple. It is to click the left mouse button and the right mouse button. We can switch to the no-code editor. Click on the screen to call out the menu, select clickLeft. This will allow EMILY to click the left mouse button at the current position of the mouse. We can switch to low-code editor to view the code. The code generated is await API mouse click left. Let's move on to the code definition. If you select click left, then await API mouse click left will be generated. If you choose click right, then await API mouse click right will be generated. Alternatively, if you want to double click the left mouse button, so you can utilize the await API mouse double click. This is the content of this course. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment or post a question on the official forum. Thank you. We will see you next time.